Hello, Martin Ettinger here with Digital Press, and I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to set the encoders once you already have your tooling set up in the press. Now, as you can see, I have the tooling set up. There's the lower punch on the bolster plate, the upper punch on the upper mounting plate. And you can see I have the lower punch is sticking a little bit out of the die, so we're going to make that flush and set it 0 position. So the first thing you would do is come into your manual mode screen, and you can micro inch your lower ram up or down to get that flush. So here I'm going to micro inch it up a little bit just until I get that flush with the top of the die, and just check it by hand quick, and yeah, feels good. So now you want to go over to the main menu and then into your encoder setup screen, and this is your lower RAM encoder. So you just press the set button and it's going to make that your new 0 position. Now the next thing you want to do is bring your lower RAM up into somewhere close to the fill position so that you can bring the upper RAM down to make it flush with the top of the die and set its encoder position. So the reason you move it up into its fill or something close is so that you're not going to put it right on top of your lower punch. So here you can see I have it very close to the top of the die while I'm close to the fill position. And I'm just going to micro inch it down just a little bit until it's flush with the top of the die. So the way most people normally do this is they'll pull out a piece of paper and they'll just put it in there and micro inch it down until it pinches the paper. So here I'm just going to micro inch it a little bit and then move the paper. Oh, still not close enough. So do it a couple more times until right there it gets stuck. Okay, so now we're just going to micro inch it up a little bit to get that paper out, and that's how you know that you'll be in 0 position. See there, I must have only went 1/1000th or so. So I just want to go up a little bit more. Now I can pull the paper out. And we're going to go back to the main menu and then over to the encoder setup screen and the upper RAM encoder, and just press the set button. Now that position is going to be the same as your lower RAM position. So now when you go back to the main menu and go back to automatic mode and home your press, I have to turn off my tool setup key. That just helps with ease of setting up the tools without getting all types of error messages. Then I close my safety gate. And then I just press the 2 run buttons and you're back to your home position with the lower punch flush with the die. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.